have Dorian, Rowan, Resand, and little confetti hearts. These are so cute. Is that, and it opens up into kind of clear, kind of blue with glitter, and the smell is bergamot, grapefruit, banksia, and cedarwood, and all I can smell is the grapefruit, and it smells really nice at the moment. But look at that lid. That lid is really cool, and it's a very strong smell, and it's pleasant, so it's really nice. Okay, Rowan is this, a green wax, black and silver glitter, and the card says juniper, pine, lemon, and spearmint. And look at all that glitter. Look at all that glitter. And the best for last, Resand. Resand purple is obviously purple wax, silver glitter, and the card says lime, mandarin, jasmine, and white musk. So it looks like that up close, and oh, there's even a little purple glitter in it too. It's so cute. As you can see, they're all from the literary Wick.